Hi guys, and good morning or good evening. Well, today's topic is all about having fun and having childhood memories. And so today I'm at Barrett Park in a beautiful city of Leominster. And my heart's to the families that lost their home in the fire last night on Abbey Road. And so I'm having a really good day. Down 7 pounds for the week with a couple of days to go to my weigh-in day, and I'm very ecstatic and happy. So today we're going to attempt to shoot down that slide and slide down the slide and film it for my prosperity. Now, a lot of people have been asking about full photographs, so look at this, guys. I mean, I'm down. The shirt is really big on me. That's a 2X now, and we bought that a few months ago. So I'm down to a 1X shirt, and I'm really happy. And that's from being in 4X when I started my weight loss journey on August 17th of 2020. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. And if you're new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're a returning member, welcome back. And I'll talk about a little further down the park over here what we got going on. But I got to keep an eye on my camera. I don't want anybody to walk off in either one while I'm attempting to do what I'm going to do. But we're going to go up there and see what happens. Okay, so hi guys. So we made it up here. No really issue, but the steps kind of high for me to lift my legs up that high. But we're here, so we're going to attempt to get down and slide down. And this is going to be a one and done. So we'll see how this thing goes. Okay, so we made it this far. We're going to slide down, and here we go. That was fun. So just because you're 65 or older or whatever age you are, you got to get out there, guys, and have fun. And that's what life is all about, having fun. So this is a Ron weight loss memory moment, and I hope you enjoyed that little video I just did. And don't forget to like and share my post, by the way, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ron's Weight Loss Journey.